Now y'all see this? This is a really big sweet potato. So I was like, why I gotta peel a whole bunch of sweet potatoes? I never seen the sweet potato this size. So I just bought one sweet potato instead of a bag of sweet potato. And I hate peeling sweet potatoes. I got cut before, so I always use a potato peeler. They're not easy to cut, so it's safer to use a potato peeler. So I'm just peeling this, and then I'm gonna come back and give y'all the steps for the sweet potatoes, okay? And I appreciate y'all being here, and I'm just showing you. Now let me say this: I'm not proclaiming to be an all-out chef, like I got everything figured out. I'm just sharing my cooking recipe, and if you want to follow it, you can. Because I notice that people get so mad and jealous with people just living their everyday life, and they just doing them, and they just want to share, you know. My channel is monetized, and I'll be trying to bring something to talk about. I'm like, oh, well, I'm gonna cook, you know what I'm saying? So I'll cook and share the videos, because when your channel monetized, you gotta kind of keep things going. And I just figure, like, hey, if it's somebody that probably want to cook something, maybe, you know, they might want to follow my recipe. But I don't have all the answers. I don't know everything. Don't y'all get mad and jealous. And you know, I think the young lady cooking with Kaya, and everybody hated on that girl so bad, and they say VH1 gave her a show with a six-figure salary. Just her, you know, doing her thing. And it's like, just, I don't know why people be so insecure and jealous. Like, if you focusing on you, your household, and taking care of your family, and you don't got nothing to worry about. But if you got to be insecure about a woman on TV or YouTube, that's a problem. Yeah, I don't get it. I don't get it. But you know, people used to be real mean to me, so I don't do TikTok no more. But I'm gonna peel this, and then I'll come back. This is quite a workout. Okay, so all of those sweet potatoes is peeled, okay? So when you peel sweet potatoes, you want to rinse them in cold water, like let them soak in cold water while you peel them, because they will turn brown. So you see the sweet potatoes all cut. No water is in this recipe. Sweet potatoes make its own juice. You don't have to put no water, just like those strawberries make its own juice. So for this recipe, and depend again on your sweetness, we're going to use 1.5 cups of sugar, okay? So depending on your sweetness, if you want it sweeter, then you do what you want to do. So I'm gonna use 1.5 cups of sugar, 1 whole stick of butter, okay? And vanilla flavor. So we'll put 2 caps of vanilla flavor. And if you like the taste of cinnamon, you can put cinnamon in this. And there's a difference between sweet potatoes and yams. Sweet potatoes is the one y'all just saw me peel. Yam is the ones in the can. So people always get them confused. Sweet potatoes and yams do not taste alike. Okay, they got a different taste. I prefer sweet potatoes over yams, okay? So now, I gotta find the top. We're gonna put this, let it cook. You don't stir sweet potatoes because it would turn into sweet potato pie. Do not stir it up sweet potatoes. Okay, so that's it. Easy, simple recipe. You just let that cook. And how do you know it's done? You take a fork, you stick it in there, and the fork go right through it. You know that they're done. Alrighty, we're moving this right along. The cornbread is almost done. I hope that these tips is helping you. Toodles. The sweet potatoes is done, guys. So you see, you don't even have to do any stirring or anything. And how do you know they're done? I'll just show you. They're soft. Let's see. I'm going to take one and mush it against here. I'm trying to hold the... So how do you know they're done? Look. See that? They're done. Real easy, simple recipe. So there's a difference between sweet potatoes and yams. So we could turn this off. And I'm going to let y'all see the greens. My greens is done. Okay, so the last thing is I'm doing my macaroni. So my birthday dinner is almost done, and I appreciate you guys being here with me. Thanks. Toodles.